So, over the past few months, we've seen some crazy AI tools, but here are 5 of the unbelievable AI tools you need to try out in 2023. Because with the help of this AI, you can actually uncrop and relight your photos, you can generate AI videos with the help of text prompts, you can also convert your current videos into AI videos. But that's not all, wait to see how you can generate your own memes with the help of AI. And with that being said, let's jump right into it. So, over to the AI website, which is ClipDrop. So we have a lot of AI tools you can actually work with here, but I'm going to walk you guys through just 2 to 3. For the first one here, which is stable diffusion, which is the first one you're seeing here, there's something actually great with this, because this is what almost all AI to actually does. With a single prompt you can generate images. So this is the image I generated with stable diffusion in ClipDrop. So my prompt was dirty slime with wings, and this it will give you 4 results. So these are the 4 results that came with this as a result of my prompt. So let's head over to the next AI tool, which is light, which is this function. So what this does is to add light to your design or to your image or whatever it is that you're using it for. So I just head over to the relight section. You can do that by clicking on relight directly. So once you're in the relight section, you can click on this section here to import your image if you want to import your image. But if you want to test it out, you can select any of the image that you can see from here. So I just selected this image here, and you can edit this light as that you're seeing on the design page. So I'll just click on the light section here. Just hold on real quick. Okay, yeah. I'll just click on this one here, so I can move this. So you can see, you can move this to where you want. Just play around that. You can do that for the second light as well. You can also change the color. So once you select a light section is selected, you can see the color section here. You can see this color section here. So just click on this. By clicking on that, you'll be able to change the color of that light effect in the particular area of its body. Okay, this is it. By selecting any color from here, you can change the color for that as well. So once you're done playing, you can also check out the tools here. You can increase the intensity of the brightness, or the distance and radius of each color that is being selected. So you can just play around with that, and once you are done, you can go ahead and download the final results. So we'll head over to our next tool, which is uncrop. Once you select a particular area which you want the image to crop, not really crop, uncrop a particular section for you. What it does is adds new sections to that part, but it actually runs back to your own original image. So I'll be using this image for an example now. So I'll just use this image for an example to show you guys what it does. So you can see, you can extend the length to where you want. I'll just keep it somewhere here. I don't want it to be too long, and I'll click on next and down. So once I click on next, I'll just wait a little while for it to this thing. So you can see the final results. So this lady, she was not here before, but as a result of uncropping this image, we got access to this. So all these are created with AI. So of course, it's not perfect. The hand is not perfect here, but it doesn't really matter. The AI actually tried in this section. So it gives you access to 4 options. So you can see this is the second one here. This is the one nice. The second one is nice. This other one too is nice, and the last one also is nice. So you can practice this with your own image. Oh, sorry about this. You can practice this with your own image as well. So all you need to do is just select the image and uncrop it to the section which you want, and then click on generate. And then once you're done, you can actually download it with the download option there. So the next AI site which we'll be visiting is actually Runway. So here in Runway, we can generate videos, AI videos, with just single prompt. So I'm going to walk you guys through how you can actually generate AI videos with just single prompt. So back to the home page, all you need to do, once you click on the link in the description, you just need to sign up. Once you sign up, scroll down and click on the Gen 2 option. For the Gen 2 option here, this is the one we're going to use to generate AI videos with just our single text. Once the Gen 2 section is selected, you head over to this section here where you can import your prompt here. So what I love about this Runway is that even if you are on a free trial, your trial can't get exhausted as long as you have not clicked on generate. So once you've imported your prompt in this prompt section, you click on free preview. So what this does is to just give you an example of what the image will look like. As long as you've not clicked on generate, you're not using your credits. So I'll just scroll down. Okay, I generated this twice. So this is the first result at the top, and the second result is this and that. So all you need to do is since you are seeing the preview of the AI generated videos, just move over anyone you want to generate and just click on that and click on generate. So once you click on generate, you're just going to wait for a while for the AI to do its thing, and then when that is done, you see the video right now on screen. So this is the AI video that has been generated. So I'm just going to play this real quick. So it's actually playing now, and it's just that the video that is going to be generated is just 4 seconds. But that's how you can generate AI videos with runway. So that's how you can actually generate AI videos. And by now you already know that the more detailed you are in prompting, the better the AI results you're going to get as well. So that's that on how you can actually generate AI videos with runway. So the next AI site, which is here, is Super Meme. Here in Super Meme, you can create memes with the help of AI. So I'm just going to click on the random text real quick here. So at the top section here, this is where you input your prompts, and then once you click on generate, the AI this Super Meme is going to generate AI memes for you. So once again, the meme that is inputted here is what is going to run with the images that the AI memes that is generating as well. So you can see some of the memes here are actually great, but if it's not actually okay to your own taste, you can actually edit the text on the AI memes that are being generated. So you just scroll down and click on edit, and once you click on edit, you are able to, let me scroll back a little bit. So you can actually edit this. So once you click on edit, you get access to the text here, both the top and the bottom, and you are able to edit this with the help of this site. So once you're done with that, you can just click on download, and you can scroll down to see more and more options that the AI meme has already generated for you. So now to our next AI site, which is Skybox. So what this does is, okay, let me just walk on, show you guys this cool feature real quick. So this, you can actually rotate this. Once you're in the home page, you can actually rotate this in a 360 degrees. So I'll just move up, move down. But let me stop and show you guys what this actually does. So down here is where you put your prompts. As soon as you've inputted a prompt down here, you click on select the style which you want. So you can just scroll over all this. They're actually a lot, but just select the style here, okay with it, and input your prompt. So right now what you're seeing on screen is what I actually work with on this Skybox. I use the prompts as you can see on screen, and it gave me this result. But the thing is that you can actually, once you download the generated AI image, it's not going to rotate as what you're actually seeing on screen. But anyways, that's how I can actually use Skybox to generate cool AI work paths. So you can just do well to try Skybox out, and I hope you enjoy this. But anyways, let's head over to the next AI site, which is Wonder Dynamics. So here is the AI transformation. You can transform your videos, your normal videos, to AI videos with the help of Wonder Dynamic. So as soon as you sign up in Wonder Dynamic, this is actually a paid site. You're not getting access to a free trial. But anyways, if you want, or if you like to, after seeing the result of this and you want to, try with your own videos, you just click on create new projects and upload your videos. But anyways, let me show you how you can work with this Wonder Studio. So I'll just scroll in this section here at the top left. I'll just scroll and click on template. So I've actually work with some of the templates here, as you can see on screen. So I'm just going to click on anyone real quick. I selected the template now, and I'll click on using projects. So I'll wait for a while for this to load. Take a look at the down section here. I'll click on this little icon here. So from this, you're able to select, if you have multiple characters in your videos, you're able to select you turn those two or more characters into an AI character. So by doing this, you can select new actor, but since I'm in free trial, I can actually work with that. So the first thing you want to do is to move this slider that is at the down section here to a nice frame section where the video is still. So actually this is actually not moving in my own section, but anyways, you just need to move this to where the image is visible, or part of the image which you want to turn to AI is actually visible. So once this is selected, by clicking on the down icon, this human icon that is at the down here, all you need to do is to select an AI from any of this section that you are seeing at the top right. So I'll just hold this down and drag it to this section. So once I drag it to this section, I'm just going to wait for a while. Okay, once I'm dragged to this section, I'll click on next that is at the top here. So once I click on next, okay, this is it, and then I'll click on start processing. I'll click on start processing. I'll wait for the this Wonder Dynamics to process the video for me, and once that is ready, I can play it. This is it that is at the top here, so I'll just play this video right now for you guys. So right now you can see this is the guy in front is the one that was generated with AI. So if you're not using a free trial, you're able to do more than one character. So you can, maybe if you have 2, 3, 4, you can, as long as you have more template that you can use as at the top right, you can play with that and generate more and more AI characters as long as you like. So that's all for today, AI tools, and I hope you enjoyed this, and do us let us know the AI tools you're trying out in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video.